What does financial freedom mean to you? A dream house, a luxury car, or perhaps the ability to travel the world without a care? Financial freedom is not just a dream, it's a journey that requires understanding the crucial rules of money, rules that can guide you towards financial success and allow you to live life on your own terms. Today, we unlock the secrets of financial freedom as we delve into the 11 money rules the rich know that the poor don't. Rule number 1, money is a tool, not a goal. It's the lens through which the affluent view their finances. To them, money is much like a hammer in a carpenter's tool belt, a means to build and shape their world. It isn't the finished house they're after, it's the tool that helps them construct it. The rich understand that money in itself doesn't equate to success or happiness. It's the opportunities and freedom that money can provide which are truly valuable. It's about the ability to fund a child's education, to travel the world, to support causes that matter, to live comfortably and without financial worry. Money is the instrument that allows these things to happen. It's a resource to be managed, invested, and grown. It's the seed planted today that blossoms into tomorrow's wealth. Always remember, the rich use money to make money. They invest wisely and create multiple income streams. Rule number 2, pay yourself first. This rule is all about saving and investing before you start spending. It's like setting a table for your future self. When you receive a paycheck, it's tempting to immediately spend on the latest gadget or a fancy dinner. But imagine, what if you took a portion of that money and tucked it away in a savings or investment account instead? It's like planting a seed that will grow into a bountiful tree over time. You're not depriving yourself of pleasures or luxuries. Instead, you're ensuring that your future self will be able to enjoy them without financial stress. This is a practice followed by those who have amassed wealth. They understand the importance of accumulating assets that can generate income over time. So, before you rush to spend your hard-earned money, remember to pay yourself first. The rich understand that by paying themselves first, they are prioritizing their future financial security. Rule number 3, avoid debt. Now this is a rule the wealthy swear by. They understand that unnecessary debt is like a heavy chain weighing down their financial freedom. The rich know that credit cards are not free money, but rather a tool to be used wisely. They're not afraid to use them, but they do so with caution, always paying off the balance in full each month to avoid interest. Indeed, the rich take advantage of credit card rewards and benefits, but they never let themselves fall into the debt trap. They understand that buying something on credit when you can't afford to pay it off immediately is a dangerous game. It's a game that can lead to high interest rates, late fees, and a cycle of debt that can be incredibly difficult to break free from. Remember, if you can't afford it, don't buy it. Debt is a trap that hinders financial growth. Rule number 4, invest in yourself. The richest individuals don't just invest their money in stocks, bonds, or real estate. They also invest in themselves. This means consistently seeking self-improvement, perpetual learning, and the acquisition of new skills. Why is this so crucial? Because the world is ever-changing, and so must we. The skills and knowledge that got you here won't necessarily get you there. To adapt and thrive, continuous learning is paramount. The rich understand this. They read books, attend seminars, hire coaches, and never stop growing. Investing in yourself also means taking care of your health. After all, what's wealth without health? The rich understand that they need to be in their prime condition to make the most of their opportunities. Finally, remember that you are your biggest asset. Your potential to earn, learn, and grow is limitless. The rich understand that their most valuable asset is themselves. Rule number 5, diversify your investments. Imagine you're a farmer and you only plant one type of crop. If a disease hits that crop, your entire harvest is lost. But if you plant a variety of crops, the disease may wipe out one, but the others will likely survive. This is the essence of diversification in the world of investments. By spreading your money across different types of investments, you're essentially planting multiple financial crops. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, the others can help offset the loss. It's a way to minimize risk. Think stocks, bonds, real estate, and even investing in your own business. Each plays a different role in your overall portfolio, and each carries a different level of risk and reward. Ultimately, diversification isn't about making you rich quick. It's about managing risk and increasing the odds of steady, long-term financial growth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is the key to growing wealth. Rule number 6, create multiple streams of income. Picture yourself standing in the rain, holding a cup. The water you catch is your income. Now imagine having not one, but several cups catching that rain. Each cup represents a different stream of income. More cups mean more water, right? The same principle applies to your income. Having multiple sources means that if one stream dries up, you've got others to keep the water flowing. It could be anything from a side hustle to rental income to passive income from investments. Think of it as a safety net. If you lose your job or your business hits a rough patch, you've got something to fall back on. It's about spreading the risk and not putting all your eggs in one basket. The rich understand this concept well. They don't rely on a single source, but build several income streams over time. The rich know that relying on a single income is a risky strategy. Multiple income streams provide financial security. Rule number 7, live below your means. This rule is all about discipline. It's about resisting the urge to match your spending with your income, about understanding that just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. It's about making smart choices now to build a secure future. Living below your means isn't about self-deprivation or penny pinching. It's about understanding the value of money and the power of saving and investing. It's about realizing that every pound, dollar, or euro you save today could be worth exponentially more tomorrow. It's about prioritizing your long-term financial goals over short-term gratification. It's about spending less than you earn, so you have more to invest. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. This rule might seem simple, but it's often the hardest to follow. Yet, it's the cornerstone of financial freedom. The rich understand that wealth is not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Rule number 8, understand the power of compound interest. Picture this, a snowball rolling down a hill. As it descends, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster with each rotation. That's compound interest in a nutshell. Compound interest is when the interest you earn on your money also begins to earn interest. It's interest on interest, an exponential growth of your wealth. Let's say you invest a fixed amount every year, and that investment generates a return. The next year, your return is calculated on your original investment plus the return you made in the first year, and so on, year after year. The magic of compound interest is that it can turn a modest sum into a mountain of money over time. It's a slow process at first, but over the years, it begins to snowball, just like our analogy, and that's why it's been called the greatest mathematical discovery of all time. The rich understand that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Rule number 9, make your money work for you. It's a simple phrase, yet its implications are profound. In the world of finance, your money can be an employee, tirelessly working day and night to generate more wealth. This is the concept of passive income, income that requires little to no effort to maintain. Picture this. Instead of trading hours for dollars, your dollars are out there, multiplying on their own. This is achieved through various forms of investment, from stocks and bonds to real estate and businesses. It's the secret sauce that allows the wealthy to increase their wealth exponentially, even while they sleep. The beauty of making your money work for you is that it frees up your time. Time that can be spent on furthering your financial education, exploring new investment opportunities, or simply enjoying the fruits of your financial labor. Remember, the rich don't work for money. They make their money work for them. Rule number 10, have a financial plan. It's like setting sail on a ship without a compass. You might get somewhere, but will it be where you wanted to go? Probably not. That's why it's crucial to have a clear financial plan. This plan isn't just a wish list of things you want. It's a detailed roadmap of your financial goals and the steps you need to take to reach them. It's about knowing your current financial situation, understanding where you want to be, and then outlining the specific actions necessary to bridge that gap. It's about commitment, discipline, and focus. It's about making informed decisions today that will shape your financial future. It's about being proactive, not reactive. It's about taking control of your money instead of letting it control you. The rich always have a plan. They know where they are going and how to get there. Rule number 11, never stop learning. The world of finance is like a vast ocean, ever-changing and full of hidden treasures. The rich know this, and they never stop exploring. They dive deep into books, podcasts, seminars, and courses. They are always on the hunt for the next big thing, the next trend, the next opportunity. Some might say they're obsessed, but in reality, they're just committed. Committed to understanding how money works, how to make it grow, how to protect it. They know that the more they learn, the better they get at navigating the financial seas. They don't do this out of fear or greed. They do it out of love for the game of wealth building, of financial freedom. They play to win, and they understand that the key to winning is learning. So, what's the lesson here? Always be curious. Always be hungry for knowledge, because the rich are always learning. They understand that knowledge is power. So there you have it, the 11 money rules the rich know that the poor don't. From understanding that money is a tool, not a goal, to the importance of diversifying your investments and never stopping your financial education. Each rule is a stepping stone on your journey to financial freedom, each one as vital as the last. Remember, financial freedom is not a dream, it's a decision. So decide today to take control of your financial future